Kumari, Assistant Professor of Mechanical Department, and I am honored to be your host for 6 days intensive program, an initiative under AICT Training and Learning Faculty Development Program on advancing 3D printing and design for modern manufacturing. It is a true privilege to bring together passionate educators and pioneering experts to explore the transformative world of additive manufacturing, designing innovation, and industry floor prototyping. Over the coming days, we will learn from renowned scholars and leading voices from top industries and academic institutions. Ladies and gentlemen, to mark the auspicious commencement of the AICT Training and Learning Faculty Development Program on Advancing 3D Printing and Design for Modern Manufacturing, now we invite our esteemed dignitaries to the stage to light the lamp and inaugurate this program with the light of knowledge.
आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः गुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते
May this flame illuminate our path toward innovation, technical excellence, and sustainable manufacturing. Thank you so much. Kindly be seated, esteemed guests, as we carry forward the light of this auspicious beginning into a week of insightful learning, innovation, and collaboration. Now, I invite our distinguished dignitaries to grace the stage and occupy the dais. Now, we will give a gracious welcome to Dr. D. Balaji, Coordinator of Atal FTP, Associate Professor from Department of Mechanical Engineering, KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, and his academic insights and meticulous planning have laid the foundation for this impactful learning and initiation. Now, we'll warmly welcome Ms. K. Kalpana and convener of Atal FTP 2025, Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, to kindly come on to the stage. Her leadership and dedication to faculty development have been pivotal in shaping this enriching program. It is my privilege and immense pleasure to invite Dr. M. N. Narasaya sir, our Vice Principal of KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, to kindly come on to the stage, sir. Now I request Uday Sri ma'am to present a sapling to sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It is my privilege and immense pleasure to invite Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy Garu, our Principal, KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, to kindly come on to the stage, sir. Now I request Dr. Udeshri ma'am to present a sapling to sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. It gives us the immense joy to welcome our distinguished guest for the day, Dr. D. Keshavan sir, Associate Professor from Indian Institute of Technology, Palakkad, Kerala, to grace the stage and occupy the dais. I kindly request Dr. Udayasri ma'am to offer a sapling as a mark of our deep's respect to sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, ma'am. We are truly privileged to have such esteemed, eminent personalities with us today. Each of them had made significant contribution to academia, research, and a national technological advancement. On behalf of the organization team, I extend our deepest gratitude to each of you for your visionary support in making this faculty development program is a reality. It's a proud moment as we inaugurate the Atal Faculty Development Program on advancing 3D printing and design for modern manufacturing. We are honored to have with us esteemed dignitaries whose vision and support have made this program possible. Now, to share their inspiring words as we begin this journey learning. So now I request Dr. Balaji, coordinator of Atal FTP and assistant professor from mechanical engineering, to delivering the welcome address.
Good morning, everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our chief guest, Dr. Kesavan sir, Associate Professor IIT Palakkad, and Principal KGR said Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy sir, Vice Principal M.N. Narsaya sir, and HOD Mechanical Engineering Kalpana ma'am, and all the participants to this AICD sponsored faculty development program on advances in 3D printing and design for modern manufacturing. On behalf of mechanical engineering, KGR said, I extended my heartfelt greetings to all our eminent resource persons from IITs, NITs, DRDO, ARCI, and industry partners. We are truly honored to have you with us. This FDP aims to bridge the gap between traditional manufacturing and emerging additive technologies, empowering faculty members and researchers with the latest knowledge and design tools to guide the next generation of engineers. I hope this week-long program will serve as a great platform for learning, collaboration, and innovation, providing all participants with a fruitful and enriching experience. Finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to our management, principal sir, vice principal sir, and HOD ma'am, and AICT Atal Academy for their constant encouragement and support in organizing this event. Thank you all.
Now I request Ms. K. Kalpana, co-coordinator of Atal FTP and HOD of Mechanical Department, to deliver the open remarks.
Thank you, ma'am. Good morning to one and all here who are present. We are truly privileged to have our principal, Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy sir, and our vice principal, Dr. M.N. Narsaya sir, and our today's chief guest, Dr. Keshavan sir from IIT Palakkad, and my coordinator, Dr. Balaji, and all the participants from various colleges and heads of the various departments and faculty members and my dear students. Good morning to one and all once again. At the outset, first of all, I would like to take this opportunity to present my heartfelt gratitude to AICTE Atal Training and Learning Academy Faculty Development Program for sponsoring this and for giving us this opportunity to conduct this kind of faculty development program on one of the emerging technology, 3D printing. And also, this FTP is carefully designed to provide a comprehensive understanding of additive manufacturing design innovation, and their integration into modern manufacturing systems. Over the next 6 days, the participants will have the privilege of interacting with the eminent scientists, academicians, and industry experts who will share their expertise on the latest developments and research trends and practical applications in the field of 3D printing, additive manufacturing. And here in this faculty development program, I would like to thank all the participants. Almost here, more than 20 plus institutions, the participants have came here from all around the Hyderabad, and some of the participants are outside of the Hyderabad also. Karnataka, few of the members have registered. Almost 20 plus colleges, total 77 participants have registered for this faculty development program. Due to restricted permissions to the participants, we could able to give the permission to 60 participants. So total 60 members have approved for this faculty development program to attend this here in KGR Center. And as the head of the department and convener of this program and co-coordinator of this FDP, I sincerely thank to our management for their continuous encouragement and support in promoting the research and as well as the innovation and faculty development initiatives in the institution. I would like to appreciate our coordinator, Dr. Balaji here, and also entire organizing team for their dedicated efforts in this planning of this event meticulously. And I am confident that this faculty development program will serve as an excellent platform for knowledge exchange and as well as the collaboration and as well as the professional growth. So inspiring all the participants to apply this advanced 3D printing and design concepts in teaching, research and industrial practices. Thank you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. We are pleased to introduce Dr. M.N. Narasaya sir, the Vice Principal and Dean of Academics at KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. He is a senior faculty member in the Electronics and Communication Engineering Department with extensive experience in academic leadership and administration. Dr. Narasaya sir holds a PhD from Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad, and has 18 years of teaching experience. He has actively contributed to the college's educational and quality assurance initiative, making him a key figure in shaping academic excellence at KGR CET. He is recognized for his research in medical image fusion and teaching excellence, and he is an active IEEE member promoting innovative teaching methods and a supportive learning environment. Now, it is our privilege to invite Dr. M.N. Narasaya sir to address the gathering.
Thank you, ma'am, for kind words. The dignitaries on the stage, our beloved principal, sir, Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Garu, and today's chief guest, Dr. Keshavan, the Professor Rayat Palakat, and the head of the department, head of the mechanical department, Professor Kalpana ma'am, and the coordinator for this 6 days FTP, Atal FTP, Dr. Balaji, and the deans, HODs, faculty members, and particularly the participants from the other institutions. I welcome you all for this particular 6-day FDP on 3D printing. I was trying to Google and understand, because I'm from electronics and communication engineering, what exactly this 3D printing is, it deals with, because it became a buzzword and everyone is talking about 3D printing, additive manufacturing and all. So the interesting facts I could find out the necessity of this 3D printing in the digital domain or in the manufacturing area, as maybe the participants and students and the faculty members we have all witnessed. In order to prepare or manufacture a product, a lot of labor hours, lot of manual hours is required in the process of. It could be a cutting, or it could be a drilling, it could be a welding. A lot of manpower is required, and in order to reduce this particular manpower in the process of whether it be cutting, drilling, welding, and all, this is thanks to the technology of 3D printing, where these manual cutting, manual drilling, manual welding is nowhere the part of the manufacturing of physical product. So it's a 3D printing is a process. 3D printing is a systematic process where the components will be designed from the digital file, which is created by the CAD, and based on the specifications, this particular, and we in the process we also try to add material layer by layer as the product is designing. So that is the reason this 3D printing is also called as we're adding layer by layer. It's an additive manufacturing. So it's a need of the hour. I'd like to bring some of the applications of this 3D printing, starting with prototyping. The widely 3D printing is used in prototyping. The reason why I would like to insist on this particular few of the applications is when I say prototyping, if all of you know, might be the digital design thinking process, which is starting with the empathy, define, prototype, ideate, and prototype, right? So when I say one of the application of 3D printing is prototype, whenever you want to model a physical model into the finished products, prototyping is badly required. So it's easy using 3D printing. It's easy to design a prototype and test it. It's very inexpensive. So whenever you want to prepare or manufacture a finished product development, when I say before developing a product, we try to go for prototyping and testing. So that is easily can be done by 3D printing process. This is one of the application. Second, even it is in the aerospace. When I say aerospace, like when you are designing the different components of aerospace, the complex geometrical structures components, when you want to design with a lightweight, where this 3D printing will help us to design these particular components. It's not even in the manufacturing, even there is in the manufacturing in the industry also, 3D printing can be used where whenever you want to produce components, end-use components, so in the manufacturing also we can use. So prototyping, manufacturing, even aerospace, and it's also touching healthcare. Whenever I want to go for the customized medical devices, when I say customized medical devices for surgical the operations, then this 3D printing will help us. And not only these three, even it's also touching the area of the consumer goods. So when I say wide range of consumer products can be done based on this particular 3D printing, starting with jewelry to the specialized tools. So hope this FDP really will focus and elevate all the participants to the next level in all these particular applications. If you look at the schedule, the most of the resource people are stalled for this particular FDP from the eminent academic institutions in the India. Hope all their experience, knowledge will really help you to move next level in 3D printing process. So with this, I also would like to congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering to organize this particular 6-day FDP. And I also thanks to ACT to encourage and fund to organize FDPs where the lot of knowledge transformation takes place on the emerging domains. We have seen in civil engineering, now it is mechanical. So ACT also is looking, there should be a different platforms where the eminent academicians, industries will come together and share the knowledge in the form of this kind of FDPs. So once again, I congratulate and thanks ACT for funding this FDP, and also congratulate the Department of Mechanical Engineering for all their efforts for writing proposals, submitting, and getting grant from the ACT and organizing. So I wish you all the very best for the participants, and be comfortable. Maybe you'll have great time for the next six days in this particular institution. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your inspiring words and insightful leadership that motivate us to strive for academic excellence and innovation in this Atal FTP program. It is our honor to introduce Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy, sir, Principal of KGR SET, is a distinguished academician with a PhD in data mining, a postdoctoral fellowship from California Public University, and our 80s Scopus Index publication, a senior IEEE member and JNTH ratified professor in CSE. He has held leadership roles at several engineering colleges and has been instrumental in advancing modern pedagogy and interdisciplinary research. Since joining KGR in 2023, he has significantly enriched the institution's academic and research ecosystem. Now, it is our privilege to invite Dr. Sai Satyanarayana Reddy sir to address the gathering.
Good morning. At the very outset, I would like to welcome all the participants from the other colleges to KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology, who are going to spend 6 days in the advanced 3D printing and other manufacturing process. And also, I would like to invite D. Keshwan sir from IIT Palakkad. He is the person who is going to take this session today and also chief guest of today's inaugural function. And congratulations to Dr. Balaji and Kalpana, who got the Atal FTP sanction for KG Reddy College of Engineering and Technology. And with this, I think technology, 6 days down the line, there are a lot of people are coming. Resource persons are coming from IITs, NITs, and other research institutions across the globe. I really appreciate the Department of Mechanical Engineering for conducting such an advanced topic. And already Kalpana, I think they already did their 3D printing certification course also in IITs. So they are the apt people who got the project and also the FDP. So that definitely that will give you a lot of knowledge to all of you. And once you learn these technologies, you please go to your respective institutions and try to do some projects with your students in your respective universities and respective colleges. That's only the outcome of this 6 days program. So attend regularly and please make a note of it and prepare notes and also interact with the resource persons. And coming to college, so maybe in the leisure time you can visit one of our building, case building. So there are a lot of manufacturing units are there and a lot of technologies are available. A lot of equipment is also available in terms of manufacturing, in terms of welding, especially for the mechanical engineer. So please go and visit how they are doing and all these things because that will give you a lot of knowledge to all of you. So and also you can interact with our students who are doing some projects in the case building also. So that's how you please build up a good network with our respective faculty members also and please proliferate your knowledge and share your knowledge and build up good networking in these 6 days. Definitely this type of workshops are very much useful to you to earn good knowledge and also will give you a lot of opportunities for the research. Okay, so our Dean R&D also from Mechanical Department, Dr. Jihari, who is looking after R&D department, and Mechanical Department published a lot of papers and good SCA papers and good Scopus papers. And meanwhile, if you have time, you please go through those papers also in the library or interact with them so that you have complete network and build good knowledge. Okay, I think with this small note, I just conclude my piece. Thank you very much. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, sir, for your unwavering commitment to academic excellence and faculty empowerment through your dedicated support of the AICT Training and Learning Faculty Development Program and advancing 3D printing and design for modern manufacturing. Thank you, sir. It's my privilege to introduce Dr. D. Keshavan, sir, Associate Professor from Indian Institute of Technology, Palakkad. Dr. D. Keshavan, sir, is an Associate Professor in the Department of Mechanical Engineering at IIT Palakkad, where he has been shaping minds and advancing research since 2017. He holds a PhD in Metallurgical and Materials Engineering from IIT Madras, complemented by academic foundation in Mechanical and Industrial Metallurgy from Madras University and Anna University. His professional journey includes impactful roles at GE Global Research in Bangalore, where he worked as a research engineer and later as a lead engineer in mechanical and materials, alongside industry experience at NBC Bearing in Jaipur. His expertise spans advanced materials, tribology, and system dynamics with a strong commitment to both cutting-edge research and transformative teaching. We are honored to have Dr. Keshavan sir with us today as a guiding force behind this Atal Faculty Development Program on advancing 3D printing and design for modern manufacturing. Now, I am honored to invite Dr. D. Keshavan sir to address the gathering.
Professor and Principal Dr. Satya Narayana Reddy sir, Sai Reddy sir, and Professor Narasaya sir, Vice Principal, and Kalpana Madam, Co-Coordinator, Atal FTP and HOD Mechanical Engineering, and Dr. Balaji, Coordinator, and other dignitaries on the stage, off the stage, participants and students. So very good morning to all of you. I'm very happy to be here today to deliver a couple of talks on 3D printing, additive manufacturing. To give a brief about 3D printing and additive manufacturing, my experience, why it is so important, and as Vice Principal mentioned, so people talk about additive manufacturing, 3D printing buzzword. So this 3D printing or additive manufacturing, the first time I listened in 2006, that was introduced by one professor IIT Madras. He was talking about additive manufacturing. So we wonder what is additive manufacturing. So this is when I was at IIT Madras doing PhD. So now, right, it's almost like 20 years. You see the number of PhDs coming out from the mechanical engineering, particularly manufacturing. Almost, I would say 7 or 8 PhDs that is coming out from manufacturing out of 10 are from additive manufacturing. There's a good number of PhDs are coming out, right? So there is a huge shift. When I joined the industries in 2011 in G Aerospace, again, I actually noticed the industry where the additive manufacturing was in discussion or it was buzzword in academia. By then I joined the industries, there are some advanced developments were happening. So industries, they adapted and they were doing at next or higher level stages. But if you look at now, the current stage, the industry is already advanced, the additive manufacturing, and in academia, we are actually still picking up and we are pushing it to the next level. So to support this, AACT has inaugurated or started many initiatives. So one of the initiatives is 6 months FTP course on training it is under QAP. So they actually suggest or they asked all the premier institutes, NITs and IITs and IIT, IASC to conduct the courses on advanced topics like AI, ML, data science, additive manufacturing, and so on and so forth. And as a result, IIT Palakkad, we started conducting 6 months course on 3D printing. And the first batch from the 3D printing course, Kalpana Madam, and I'm seeing Dr. Sudhira Madam. Madam, I'm pronouncing your name correct. Yeah, I remember your face and name. Yes. So they are the first batch of our 6 months 3D printing course. And the objective of the course, the ACT mentioned clearly, is that so there is an acute shortage in faculty who can handle this course at the college levels, 3D printing and additive manufacturing. So the course curriculum has to be developed such that so there can be more faculty members come forward and understand what is 3D printing and additive manufacturing, and they will go and share the knowledge to the students or other community so that the knowledge spreads. And I'm witnessing that now. So I'm seeing that the course is happening as a result of that 3D printing 6 months QAP course. And Madam also actually attending the same. And I hope actually to those who are attending, you will also take this forward to the next level, spread the knowledge to the students. And brief about the additive manufacturing. Already, vice principals have mentioned about the additive manufacturing. So additive manufacturing, it is now we are in the era of industry 4.0 or 5.0, right? If you look at actually industry 1.0, then 2.0, there were actually the design concept were there, and manufacturing concepts was were there. So the only problem during that time was whatever we designed, we will not be able to actually manufacture it. So let's say if someone is posting very complex design, right? So in the concept of design, industry 4. Before industry 4.0, it is not that easy to actually manufacture, right? So now the additive manufacturing has completely fundamentally changed the concept of design and manufacturing, right? Anything that you imagine and you can make a complex component, any complexity that can be manufactured, right? And that is with the help of computers, softwares, AI, ML, automations, whatever buzzwords you bring in, put all together, anything that you imagine and create, they can be manufactured, right? So that is the level of additive manufacturing now. And I'll be happy to share some of the basic content for today about the additive manufacturing and 3D printing, and also some advanced level, like what's the research that is going on across the globe, and about the research going on at our institute. I'm going to briefly present. So after this inauguration talk, so with this, I'd like to conclude that so this is emerging technology, and it is a good time to actually get a grip on this topic, and let us all actually contribute to the new era of manufacturing going forward. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for graciously addressing the gathering and sharing your valuable insights with us. Now, I request all the dignitaries to felicitate today's distinguished guest, Dr. Keshavan sir, Associate Professor, Indian Institute of Technology, Palakkad. Thank you, everyone. Now I request Ms. K. Kalpana, Co-Coordinator of Atal FTP and Head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, we came at the end of the inaugural session. Before that, I would like to mention a special mention before the vote of thanks. Because during the inaugural opening remarks, I don't want to let you know, because who is the behind person for this proposal and all, you don't know. That is the reason I did not mention. So first of all, now I would like to take this opportunity to thank to AICTE first, because AICTE has initiated quality improvement program for faculties all over the India. So when immediately we received the message from AICTE and as well as principal sir, so we have applied. Luckily we got at Palakkad. So here who is the man behind this QIP program, entire 3D printing means Dr. Keshavan sir. So along with Dr. Keshavan sir and Dr. Kanmani Subbu sir, both are taking care. And we learned many things. Previously, I know about only like kind of materials polymers, PLA and ABS kind of materials, but I don't know about much regarding the metal 3D printing and all. So we had a wonderful experience at IIT Palakkad during our QIP program, and we learned many softwares and many programs we learned because of Keshavan sir. Thank you so much, sir. And also after coming back from the FDP, so Dr. Ram Prabhu sir, who is also one of the person who came at IIT Palakkad for a special talk. And immediately once we received the AICT given the announcement regarding the FDP proposal, so sir asked me, check yourself, whatever the content you learned at IIT Palakkad, whether it is helpful or not. Like that, sir texted me after immediate announcement of from AICT. So I myself decided to write the proposal. And I discussed with my coordinator, Dr. Balaji. He's from manufacturing background. We both discussed, and whatever the concepts we learned at IIT Palakkad under the guidance of Dr. Keshavan sir helped me a lot to got this fund proposal from AICT. So I'm taking this opportunity to thank once again special thanks to Dr. Keshavan sir and as well as the AICT and also my management and principal sir for encouraging us to get this proposal, to do this proposal. And also, I would like to mention a special thanks to Dean R&D, Dr. Jayari sir, our Dean R&D. So he's always behind the force us to apply for the proposals and as well as to write the papers and all. So because of his encouragement, we could able to give good papers in the mechanical department. So with this, once again, I am proposing the vote of thanks as head of the department. My name Kalpana Kilaru from Department of Mechanical Engineering. It's my privilege and pleasure to propose a vote of thanks on this special occasion and the inaugural ceremony of this AICT Atal Faculty Development Program on Advances in 3D Printing and Design for Modern Manufacturing, organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, KJD College of Engineering and Technology. First and foremost, I would extend my heartfelt gratitude to our chief guest, Dr. D. Keshavan, Associate Professor, IIT Palakkad, for gracing this occasion with your presence, sir, and also sharing your valuable insights and your encouragement as well as expertise in the field of manufacturing and materials have truly inspired us. And our sincere thanks to management for their guidance and constant support in the departmental initiatives. Their encouragement to pursue innovation and excellence continues to motivate us in every endeavor. A special thanks to our principal sir, Dr. Sai Satyanarayan Reddy sir, for his continuous encouragement and academic leadership, and also to our vice principal, Dr. M.N. Nasir sir, for his valuable presence and kind words of motivation. And also, I take this opportunity to thank AICTE Training and Learning Academy, Atal Academy, for granting us this opportunity to host this faculty development program. And our gratitude extends to all our resource persons, participants, and as well as the faculty members who have joined us from different institutions to be part of this learning journey. Almost more than 20 plus institutions have joined here. And a sincere appreciation to our coordinator, Dr. Balaji, and also entire organizing team of the Department of Mechanical Engineering for their meticulous planning and efforts in making this event is possible. And also I would like to mention and I would like to thank our technical and administrative and supporting staff, print media for their seamless arrangements and assistance throughout this. Last but not least, a big thank you to all the participants for your presence and your active engagement is what makes the FDP is successful. And with these words, we can conclude the inaugural ceremony and look forward to an insightful week of sessions, discussions, and learnings. Thank you all.
Thank you, ma'am. Now we reach to the end of the inaugural program with National Anthem.
पंजाब सिंह जरा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगल दायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
All to come back to seminar hall. Thank you.